You want an action camera that'll actually give you good video quality? Good news for you is that I've researched and tested some of the best action cameras, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you which one is the best for you. I'll have options for every budget range as well, so if you don't have hundreds of dollars to spend, I've got you. Also, this video isn't sponsored, and these are all my honest opinions. If you're looking for an action camera that offers plenty of value and can produce comparable footage to high-end models for a much lower price, the GoPro Hero 8 Black is my choice as the best action camera for the money in 2023. The GoPro Hero 8 Black isn't the newest model on the market, but it still offers several key benefits, including a rugged, durable build, solid shooting modes, and impressive all-around performance for the price. It has a compact build that weighs less than an ounce, which makes it lightweight enough to comfortably mount on your helmet or bike. Despite its lightweight build, it has a surprisingly rugged design that features an impact-resistant lens to combat accidental knocks or drops, with a quality sensor that can capture impressive 4K HDR footage at a smooth 60 FPS, although it tends to struggle with photography as it can only produce 12 megapixel stills. I also like that you can easily load on add-ons like microphones or flashes, so it's suitable for everything from vlogging to capturing action-packed activities. It doesn't quite offer the stabilization of higher-end models either, but it features Hypersmooth 2.0 technology to consistently reduce shakiness, along with time warp controls for lapse photography, and a live burst function that records before and after your video. The GoPro Hero 8 Black is an excellent mid-range action camera that can consistently capture smooth 4K video. If you're trying to save some money and just need a camera that can capture smooth and detailed recordings with minimal shakiness, this might be the perfect action camera for you. If you want to know the exact pricing on the Hero 8 Black or any other products I mentioned in this video, check the links in the description. For anyone who wants a lightweight and easy-to-use camera that's comfortable to carry around wherever you go, the DJI Pocket 2 is my choice as the best handheld action camera in 2023. Vloggers need a high-quality camera that can remain stable and continuously keep them in the frame, and the DJI Pocket 2 is a quality option that features a lightweight build, a built-in gimbal for stability, and impressive filming quality. It has a lightweight design that shouldn't be too uncomfortable to carry around over filming sessions, or you can prop it up on a tripod for additional stability. It has intuitive controls that feature a mode button and a power button on the side to avoid accidental shutoffs. I also like that it comes with a sturdy plastic exterior that provides a secure fit, so you can be sure that it'll withstand some drops over time. With the Pocket 2, you get a 3-axis gimbal to keep the camera stable while you walk or move around, so it's a great choice for vlogging. On the inside, it has a 1 to 1.7-inch sensor that can shoot detailed 4K footage at 60 FPS, or stunning still shots at up to 64 megapixels, along with HDR video to help improve the contrast levels, though it's not the best in low-light settings. Even more, it offers a follow mode that keeps the camera horizontal, a tilt-locked mode that disables rotation, an FPV mode for a full range of movement, excellent face and object tracking, and more. The Pocket 2 is a great all-around action camera that features a sturdy build and can consistently shoot crystal clear footage. This is a great camera if you want a quality camera that can reliably shoot stable, detailed footage as you move around or talk. Some people might be looking for an inexpensive camera that can shoot reasonably smooth, clear footage. The Akaso Brave 7 LE is a great and affordable action camera. Not everyone has the money to spend hundreds of dollars on a high-end action camera, and the Akaso Brave 7 LE is an inexpensive alternative that still offers solid filming versatility and quality for the price. It has a compact and surprisingly durable frame for the price that can withstand a few accidental drops, and it has an IPX7 water resistance rating to protect against splashes. It also comes with a waterproof housing to safely film underwater, which makes it a solid choice for water sports enthusiasts. On the back, you get a responsive touchscreen interface that allows you to change the settings or shooting mode, along with a display on the front and rear to optimize your framing. I also like that it comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, so you can take on longer filming days. You get a solid amount of shooting options, including video and photo time-lapse modes, a slow-motion filming function, digital zoom, burst photo, and loop recordings depending on your preference. It lacks the stunning picture quality of high-end options like the GoPro Hero 11 Black, but it can still capture high-resolution 4K footage at a reasonably smooth 30 FPS and solid 20 megapixel stills, which should be adequate for most casual users. Even more, it has a built-in diving mode that helps you add red light to underwater footage, and a driving mode that's automatically enabled when connected to your vehicle. The Akaso Brave 7LE isn't going to rival something like the Insta360 ONE TS coming up later in the video in terms of performance, but it's still a surprisingly capable action camera with good enough recording quality for most casual uses. If you want something that's easy to use and can consistently capture clear images, this might be your best bet. Next up, we've got the standard when it comes to action cameras. An excellent camera that offers an impressive combination of filming performance, build quality, and ease of use. And that's the GoPro Hero 11 Black, which is my choice as the best overall action camera in 2023. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is GoPro's latest and greatest model that comes with an improved sensor for better image quality, built-in image stabilization software, and top-tier filming performance in most settings. It has a similar compact and lightweight design as previous models, so you should be able to easily carry it around as needed. It has a display on both the front and the back, which makes it much easier to frame selfies or vlogs, and the rear has responsive touchscreen functionality to quickly change settings. It also has an excellent battery life, and can reliably shoot up to 80 minutes when set to 5.3K at 30 FPS, or around 2 hours per charge when filming. And it has an updated battery that charges faster and can work in colder temperatures. Even more, it has fold-down arms to attach the camera to any standard GoPro mount. It comes with an updated and larger 1:1.9-inch sensor that offers an 8:7 aspect ratio to capture more of your frame. It also features top-tier recording quality and can shoot footage up to 5.3K, which is clearer and more detailed than 4K models like the DJI Pocket 2. Although it doesn't offer the best performance in darker settings. In addition, you get a Hypersmooth 5.0 feature that provides excellent image stabilization when in motion. It's also compatible with the Quick Companion app, which allows you to edit your videos or change settings like the aspect ratio depending on your preference. The GoPro Hero 11 Black offers intuitive editing controls, robust companion app that allows you to fine-tune settings, and better filming quality to the cheaper models or older models I've mentioned. This is an excellent action camera if you can afford to spend a bit more and want a high-quality camera that can reliably capture stunning footage in various resolutions. If you have some money to spend and want a premium action camera that offers outstanding filming versatility and clarity, the Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition is a great high-end action camera to consider. The Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition is a much more expensive camera than the previously mentioned action cameras, but it comes with 2 different lenses for greater versatility, various in-app editing tools, and a rugged design. Unlike the other cameras on this list, it has a unique modular design, which allows you to separate it into multiple pieces to swap out the lens on the fly to better fit the filming situation. It also comes with 2 interchangeable lenses, including the 4K boost lens and the 360 lens, or you can opt to purchase an additional 1-inch wide-angle lens. Despite its versatility, it still comes with a lightweight build that's ideal for longer filming days, and a rugged, waterproof build, though the touchscreen display is smaller than other competitors like the GoPro Hero 11 Black. It offers excellent performance and can shoot crystal clear 6K widescreen video, stunning 48-megapixel photos, and it offers active HDR video support to further improve the video quality. I also like that it comes with a range of built-in editing tools, so you can touch up your footage on the fly. Like most cameras on this list, it also has a useful companion app that allows you to toggle through shooting modes, view tutorials, and more. It also has a live stream function, though it doesn't always work smoothly. The Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition is an excellent high-end action camera because of its in-depth video-enhancing features, useful companion app, and smoother recordings than most other competitors. If you can afford the high-end price and want a camera that can capture top-tier footage without sacrificing stability or versatility, this might be the best choice for you. If you learned something new and liked the video, give it a like. And links to the most updated pricing on all products we talked about in the video are in the description below. You never know when these might go on sale, so you can check those out.